how I make my control bars. Get yourself a quick release, any kind you can find, and then splice yourself a leash, flag out safety line of the proper size. I don't ever use elastic because it's just a pain to make the elastic. Get yourself a control bar. I always use foamy bicycle tape next to the bar, and then on top I wrap hockey tape to make sure everything sticks nice and tight. You want floaties. And then you have a chicken line, either single or double, and you want a above the bar cam cleat for people that build their own bars. That's the most convenient. When the bar is all the way in and you look at where the line attaches right here, it should be level with your block right here. That's going to be the proper amount, and then you can adjust it later if you need to. Now the most important thing is the V splitter, or the block is what I use. You'll notice that there are holes in it that are small where the line comes in, and big holes at the end. And in the middle, they switch from big to small. What that means is that with your line, which is larks-headed, your safety line or your stopper, when it goes into the block, the small end lets the kite line pass freely, but the flag out line or the stopper line will stop. That's it. It's very simple. Small hole you drill here, big hole you drill here. And then you drill a couple more holes just so you have some way to attach it. And then I always add a little ring to make it convenient. That's basically it. It's a 1" by 1" nylon block. And the size of the holes depends on what size kite lines you're using. You want it just big enough so it flows freely. And the other side I make really quite big because I don't use a standard size safety line or flag out line. My flag out lines are always extra big so they last longer. But that's how you make the control bar. It's very simple. You have a block. You have a flag out line. Oh yeah, make sure that the flag out line has something that prevents it from getting to the cam cleat here. I have a particular cam cleat where it goes through the other end, but you can also use an O-ring. You have a cam cleat, you have your block or your V, you have whatever quick release you have laying around, you have a control bar. You really want the floaties because the floaties help prevent death loops. And you have leaders. That's the whole bar. It's quite simple, and the build relies on using this very simple idea of just a very small block as your V.